Today, I'll show you how to install and run an app.AppImage application on Linux. app.AppImage is one of the easiest ways to run applications on Linux because, unlike traditional packages, you usually don't need to install the application through a package manager. Let's get started. First, download the app.image file you want to use. For this tutorial, let's say the file is called app.AppImage, and it's located in your Downloads folder. After downloading it, open your terminal and navigate to the folder where the app.image is located. For example, if it's inside Downloads, you can type cd downloads now. Before running the app.image, we need to make it executable. Type chmod plus x app.AppImage and press enter. This command gives the app.image permission to run as a program. Once that's done, you can launch it directly from the terminal. Simply type /app.AppImage and press enter. The application should now start. But what if your app image is stored somewhere else? No problem. You can run it by using its complete path. For example, path to your app.AppImage. Just replace the path with the actual location of your app.image file, and that's it. So the basic process is very simple. First, download the app.image. Second, make it executable using chmod plus x. And finally, run it using /app.AppImage. Or use the full path if the file is located somewhere else. That's how you run app.image applications on Linux without a traditional installation process.